So this is the new Z Flip 5 from Samsung. This is their smaller folding phone with the price of $1000 with the same dimensions as last year model. This phone comes with many updates. It comes with 3 key differences: the chip, the hinge and the new outside display. This phone comes up with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip which is updated now with the latest flagships. It's a great chip and the phone is super responsive which can handle multitasking with 8GB RAM. It can open apps very quickly and there is no issue to play heavy games. The other half of great chip is efficiency. The physical battery size is 3700 mAh. Let's talk about the design. The hinge is crucial for a folding phone and this one is just great. For the first time, Samsung simplified the hinge by reducing the moving parts from it for long-term durability. The new folding mechanism gives the OLED a wider radius when folded, which reduces stress in the middle. While the crease is noticeable when the screen is off or viewed from the side, it's easy to forget about during regular use. The major difference is that it folds completely flat, which eliminates the small gap that could allow dust or dirt in it. The hinge is stronger now, a good improvement from the past folding phone hinges. The major change in this phone is the bigger screen on the outside. Let's discuss about it. The Z Flip upgraded from a tiny 1.9-inch slot to a spacious 3.4-inch 720p screen with 60Hz, which is called Flex Window. It's a massive improvement for checking time, reading notification and framing pictures with the primary cameras. The outside screen sports up to 11 pages of apps without opening the phone. They are like mini apps which are specifically designed for the outside screen's functionality and optimization. You can enable non-optimized apps to work on the outside screen by going into lab settings. No doubt you can do a lot more with this outside screen compared to previous Flip models. You can also answer text with the full QWERTY keyboard on the outside screen now. At the end of the day, should you buy the Z Flip 5? Honestly, the truth is that this is the best folding phone for most of the people right now. It's a great high-end chip, the cameras are still solid, the battery life is decent, the fingerprint reader is super fast. This phone does not miss any major features. It includes wireless charging, IPX8 and a 256GB base storage, making the $1000 starting price which is quite competitive for foldables. So this is it for this phone. Thank you.